Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which sites use your Gmail address or Google sign-in. This avoids losing access. Once done, make a backup of any site data and jot down linked services or recovery emails. Next, sign into the target site now and go straight to account or privacy settings to locate email or login methods. If a Google sign-in button exists, look for account connections or authorized apps to prepare for removal. You now remove Gmail as the authentication method. Disconnect Google sign-in within the site or revoke app access in your Google account. Then change the account's primary email to a different address you control or create a site-specific username if allowed. Make sure to set a strong new password and enable two-step verification where available to prevent lockout. Once complete, test logging out and back in using the new credentials to verify that you finish by confirming recovery options. Update phone numbers and secondary emails so you can regain access without Gmail. Then go to your Google account security settings and revoke the site from third-party access to ensure Gmail is no longer linked. If you encounter problems, try the site's account recovery flow immediately and keep screenshots of errors. If recovery fails, contact the site's support and provide account proof. One tip: clear cookies or use incognito to rule out cached sessions when testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.